Good morning, you guys. It's about 10:30 and I'm running late as expected. Today is gonna be a shoot day and I figured I'd bring you guys along with me. I haven't done a vlog in a while. And yeah, I got my clothes laid out. I mean, I haven't showered yet or, done my makeup and all that stuff, but the first half of the battle is over. This is what we got. Definitely feeling a little bit ambitious today because we're trying to do 2 outfits. So yeah, hopefully we can get those shots. I got my steamer ready for when I get out the shower and I can steam my trousers. If you hear any noise in the background, Shati is teaching from home for the next couple weeks. Also, look at my hair, like it's not even away. Like this is just how I woke up today and it is what it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly videos, and yeah, let's get ready. Okay, so I called my Uber, just waiting for it to pull up, and then yeah, I'm gonna go grab some food, shoot some looks. Honestly, I'm starving, so I want to eat. Ubers always take forever here, especially since the pandemonium. But yeah, it's coming in, I think 8 minutes, so we should be on our way soon. And this is the finished makeup look. I did a cute little light beat, nothing crazy, just very spring. I'll leave everything I have on my face down below in the description box. I promise you, we had food to show you, but we ate it all. I was so hungry. I got a white pizza. It had truffle on it. It was great, but it's gone now. Now all I have is a mango mojito. Do y'all see that? I need this aparato in my life because can you tell the people how it works?
You just bend it like this.
You just bends it.
And wherever you want it to go, it goes like a snake.
That's crazy. Perfect for when you're going out for drinks, for food, and it's 2 people and no one can take your photo, or you can't take photos together. Then you just whip this out your purse and you set. Now that we've stuffed our faces, we're gonna just have a couple more drinks because we deserve them on this fine Wednesday afternoon. Then we're gonna get some outfit photos, maybe down this way. It's really cute in here. We've shot in here before, and yeah, maybe we'll get some more photos in here, but if anything, we're just gonna take a walk around the block and find a cute spot, but that'll probably be for like the second outfit.
side. Because it's your top one.
As you guys saw by the previous clips, we just finished shooting. I was gonna say filming. We just finished shooting the first outfit. Hopefully we got some really nice shots. We usually check like on the camera really quick, you know, a little scan through and be like, oh, I got the shot. Just because, I don't know, shooting in public is awkward enough as it is, and we don't want to be out here longer than we need to. So yeah, we were dining at a hotel, so we're just gonna go right back in and use their bathroom and change into the second outfit, and then we're gonna walk around and see where we can find a second location. But we're not gonna go too far because yeah, why would we do that? But yeah, first outfit done. Okay, we got the other outfit on. I think the last time I vlogged like a shoot day, I was wearing this exact blazer. Honestly, it's one of my favorites, so I'm gonna be wearing it as often as I please. But yeah, I'm wearing a dress. This is a dress from ASOS, I think from last year. I'm wearing the same sneakers just cause like I'm already a bag lady. Trying to bring an extra pair of shoes is it's just extra, and like there was no room in the bag anyway. So yeah, we're about to walk around the area and just see where we might get a cute shot. Hopefully we find a cute, you know, little corner where we can stand and no one can look at us while we shoot. Okay, so it's been a while. I've been home for a couple hours now. As soon as I got back, Shati and I just took a little drive around the town. But yeah, I think I got some really cool pictures today. I'll post a few right here. As you guys know, you've seen my friend Lisa in my other vlog. We usually meet up once a week or so, just so we can get each other's pictures and get some content for Instagram. I'm in my kitchen, so don't mind the bagels and carbs galore. But one thing I feel like a lot of creators and people that want to be influencers overlook is the power of collaboration. Like Lisa and I meet up once a week, sometimes twice a week, just to get some content for Instagram. We take each other's photos. You know, it's also a little social hour too, to get out the house, you know, grab a little brunch and then capture some content while we're out. So if you can find someone in your area or someone that you're friends with that is also trying to get their name out there and, you know, become an influencer, then y'all should meet up for coffee. Y'all should meet up for lunch or whatever. Come in your outfits, ready to go, and then have a little social hour and then get some photos. Because nothing's worse than trying to get photos from someone who doesn't care to get your photos, or someone that's just like, why do you want to get your photo right now? Like, do you need a photo? Like, y'all know what kind of people I'm talking about. You know, people that drag their feet whenever you ask for a photo, a decent photo. So when you find your little tribe, maybe one or two other influencers or wannabe influencers, that sounds wrong, but two people that are trying to up their content creator game, then y'all should take the time to, you know, meet up and create content together or just help each other out. If someone has an aesthetically pleasing living room and your other friend got a bomb camera, you know, and then the other person has an eye for style and can help style, you know, everybody on who's down to shoot, then y'all have a little team there. I really want to make a separate video talking about, you know, content creator essentials, what I use to create content in the house or, you know, for street style shots. And I definitely want to talk about my gear more, so let me know if you guys want to see that. I'd love to film that for you. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed a little behind the scenes of how I create content here in Buffalo. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.